page spec webpage.htm in a suitable editing package, and we need to replace the text a candidate and this number with your name, center number, and candidate number. So this is the first instruction. Okay, next we will continue later. Let's see, where is spec web page? This is the spec web page. I want to open it on code. We need to replace the here a candidate. We need to replace it by the name. I will replace it with my name. We need to replace this one with the center number, so, and this will be replaced by your candidate number, but I choose it to be my candidate number, and I will just click save. Okay, next let's continue. Attach the style sheet spec style 1 to this web page. Okay, let's see. We will click here, attach style sheet, or you can bring it from here, file, a new style, attach style sheet. It's the same. Okay, we want to browse it, and inside my folder, which is spec HTML, we have style sheet 1. Be sure which style sheet you have to attach first. Spec style 1. Okay, so then open, then click OK. Now I want to see my web page. This is the web page after I have already uploaded the style sheet. Okay, I just want to leave it as it is, and let's continue. Attach the style sheet you edited in step 3 to your web page so that it has a higher priority. This is very important, and we need a new style sheet which is in step 3, created in step 3, and we need it to be with a higher priority than the style sheet spec style 1. Okay, so we will go back here and attach a new style sheet. This is the previous one, which is here, exists here in a link inside the head section. Okay, now we will browse and check the new one, then okay. You see here we have the previous one, which is spec style 1, and this is the new one, which is spec style, 4 nines. Why the 4 nines has higher priority? Because it comes on the next line. Okay, so we are done with this. Now let's save and check the web page. I will just refresh it. You see, this is our web page with the new style. Okay, which I have already created in step 3. Now let's continue. Save your web page. We are done with the save. Use the class created in your style sheet to set the color. Okay, use the style created in your style sheet to set the color of the text Tawara digital storage to cyan. Okay, so we need to use this class. Okay, let's go to the code. Where is our code? Here we need to find the word Tawara digital storage. It's in the heading. We have SSD from Tawara digital storage, so we want to separate Tawara digital storage in a new paragraph. We need a paragraph, not progress. Take care. No need for this one. So first of all, we want to put the Tawara digital storage in a new paragraph. Then we will go to the opening tag and write apply our class. What the name of our class? It is Cyan, so it is applied. Let's save and check. I will just refresh. I have it with a new color, which is cyan, but they are created in a new line, and the instruction here didn't ask for the Tawara digital storage to be in a new line. They just ask for changing the colors. So we have a new idea here. You have to be care about it, and you have to memorize this code. We need to use another tag instead of paragraph tag, which is span. Take care of this idea. I will just do it like this. So save. Let's refresh our page. You see, now everything is okay and you will get the mark. Continue. Replace into appropriate section of the correct web development layer metadata to define the character set UTF. Okay, to replace the metadata, we will create it on the heading section. So let's go to the head section. This is the opening of head section. No, this is the closing. This is the opening, and we have only the style sheets. So under the style sheets, we will create the metadata. Okay, so we will write meta, then close it. We need to choose the character set. You have to memorize the codes of metadata to be UTF-8. That's it. And we need, if you look here to the marking scheme, I will show you it to be sure about it. Let's see the marking scheme. You see, it's here. Okay, now let's continue. What we need to write more, we need to write meta metadata to include your name as the author of the web page. Okay, so we need to use the attribute name and include the author inside it, and let its content to be your name. Okay, so you will use the name, so it's automatically here appeared. We need to write the author, and what we need to write inside the author, we need to write the content to be your name, like this. Okay, so we are done with this line also. Now metadata to set the keywords to Tawara, TDS, DVD, SSD. Okay, so let's include the new line meta. I will close it, sorry. The new attribute will be what? Will be the key words. What is the content of the keywords? You will write content equals, comma, I think like this, TDS, DVD, SSD. TDS, DVD, SSD, and I don't want to write Tawara in all in capital. I want to write it as it is included in the text. Okay, so we are done with the meta data. Okay, until now everything is okay. Replace the text place image here in the web page with the image as spec ssd.jpg you edited at step 1, and add an appropriate alternative text to this image. Okay, let's go. Here we have the place for place image here, and if you look at the web page you will find it in one of the TDs, place image here. Okay, so you can go to the code and search for TD tags, then immediately you will find it. Okay, we want to replace this image here, so simply you will drag it here like this. What is our alternative name? You can choose any alternative name. I will write SSD image, and we will click OK. So this is the code for the image. It's done by itself. We have the alternative name that I wrote it, and we have the source of the image, which is its name .jpg. So no need now for place text here, and we will click save. Let's go to the web page, refresh it. So you see the image is appeared here. Okay, let's continue. Save the web page, display the web page in your browser. So we done with all of these. Take screenshot evidence and place this in your evidence document. Make sure that all the page can be seen, all the text can be easily read, and the address bar is fully visible. This is very important. Let's see. I want to zoom it to try to take a nice, I think like this everything is okay, 80%. It will paste on your page, and I think everything is readable now. So I will do the screenshot. I will take the address bar, and we need to be sure it is readable, and I will take everything from the web page like this. So I will come here and go to my evidence document and write evidence 3 and just paste it. So I will save, don't forget to do it. Then what else? The last thing with 2 marks. Take a copy of HTML source and the code and place this in your evidence document. Okay, I think in the classes we skipped this step, and it's very easy. We will go here, and you want to select all of this code, then paste it in the evidence document. To select it, you have 2 places. I think edit, select all. This is the first, or from the quick access by Ctrl+A. Okay, then right click, copy, go to your evidence document and click evidence 4, and you just paste it, Ctrl+V. So we are done until now. So these are the meta tags for the corrections. Let's continue. Now we are done with this task. I will stop.